What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the best affiliate marketing strategy for beginners to earn fast commissions. I'm going to share with you exactly where to find offers, where to find the traffic. Everything's going to be explained inside with a few tips and tricks and secrets. So all you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information regarding this affiliate marketing strategy so you can get started to earn fast commissions. I do have my number one recommendation also right here below this video that you can have a closer look at when we have finished this video, of course. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the best affiliate marketing strategy is something that is based on a course I created, which is Daily List Profits. You can see here proof that it is working, it has been working, it still works. This is the number one preferred method. It is about email list building, but I'm going to show you also on how to do this the right way, okay? Because if you don't know what you're doing, you are really going to get lost and lose a lot of money also. So pay attention. As I said, this is a proof. You can see I've been working with a few affiliate networks here. ClickBank, here are some CPA networks. They do pay out via PayPal. You can of course do this also with Warrior Plus, but I'm going to focus on today on something for you to really get started as fast as possible. So first let me explain a little bit on how we are going to make this work, okay? Let me draw a little bit here. It really is a three-step formula. So if I just make this pretty big, we need of course traffic. We need something called an opt-in page. Some people call it also a squeeze page. And of course we need the offer here. Now this is a really super easy and simple formula and doesn't have to be any complicated, more complicated than this actually. So I'm going to show you a little bit backwards here actually first. First we need to find an offer, and instead of go to Warrior Plus, because the vendors need to know you, you need to be accepted, and if you're totally new it can be a little bit tricky there, to be honest. So what we are going to do is we are going to clickbank.com, because here when you have an account, I'm not going to explain, but you just create an account here on ClickBank, and whatever offer you're going to apply for here, you're going to be approved straight away. So I'm going for the e-business and e-marketing here today because that is how we are going to drive traffic also very fast. We're talking about make money online. You can see here it is sorted by popularity, and I'm going to change this to gravity. Gravity is ClickBank's own metrics, and it is a good indicator that the product is converting and selling. So what we see here at the top is actually the 12-minute affiliate system. This is new also, which makes it even better for us to promote this offer. Because if they have seen the offer that has been promoted again and again from different people, they might not react on it and be like, I don't want this, okay? So keep that in mind. But I like this because this is a new offer, and we can have a quick look actually at the affiliate page here. So the affiliate page is going to explain a few things. There is the video here of course also with Devon here. He explains that it converts well, so you can see here if you need any material at all, here are the upsells. I'm sorry, they do explain. You can pick from different sales pages. If you want to promote a webinar, it might convert better for you. But to get started, we are going to be satisfied to promote the primary affiliate link here. You can see the promotional banners if you have a blog, for example. So we are going straight here and grabbing this link. So if you want to have a tracking ID, you can add it. Now you can use this ugly long link, or you can go to a link shortener actually like bit.ly.com This is a free option to get started with. Definitely a good way to get a shortened link. Or if you want to have a tracker in place, you can go for something like clickmagic.com. Okay, this has everything you need actually to track and more. Okay, you can do rotators, you can add a lot of offers inside there, tons of features, and are super easy. And actually there is a free trial to get started with this. I can leave a link so you can get access to the free trial below here. Okay, so I'm going to leave my link here that you can get started for a free trial. So it's totally free. Go ahead, go straight actually to ClickMagic in my opinion. And we are going to grab that link, of course, and we're going to use it. So now let's get back here to our drawing, our whiteboard here. We need something called an opt-in page or a squeeze page, and of course we need an autoresponder. Without explaining anything to you, go straight to Aweber. I've been testing all the autoresponders. I've been a solo ad vendor. I still am actually, but I don't sell to the public right now. It might change from next month, but I will announce it later. I've been testing all the autoresponders, and trust me on this one. Get started with Aweber. No more talk about this, okay? They do have the best especially for Make Money Online, but they have been around for so many years. They are super legit and definitely have the best ones. The most, I say, beginner-friendly platform. They do convert also very well, so go ahead with Aweber, okay? And then we need something like an opt-in page, a squeeze page, and this is how it looks. What you need to do is you need, of course, to create a free report or a case study. In my case here, I actually did a free video where I show you on how I make $420 in less than 24 hours. And it is based actually on the method I'm sharing with you here today also. There is also, here is another example. Okay, I do have on my my IM tips, which is my page, of course, and blog. I do have a free report here, the Affiliate Marketing Supremacy, and it is a free report also on how you can make your $100 plus per day. So you have to enter your email address, and then of course you will have been opted to my list here. Really simple. Why we need to build a list instead of sending it straight to the offer? I think you already understand why. Because here you only have one shot and then goodbye, okay? You spend money, you spend time, time is money, so you spend money again and you lose them because you only get one shot. Here you get a lot of shots, okay? Because you can promote again and again, and you will of course put and sequence in place here, so they are going to receive emails every single day. A few should be with some value, and every now and then you should have every third or fourth email should be with promotion there. And you don't need you don't need to create these email swipes actually, because look at this. If you focus on 12-minute affiliate, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, you have 16 swipes here you can insert and send every single day if you want to heavily promote on just this offer alone here, okay? So you don't have to think about it. You have all the material, just insert it and get started with it. So when we have this in place, of course the final thing is traffic. Now, as I said earlier here, I've been a solo ad vendor. This is my sales page. I don't sell to the public right now, so don't come here and purchase any traffic, but it might change from next month. I do sell to some vendors actually behind the scenes, so I'm full booked with those vendors for now. And I'm going to show you on actually where you can get traffic on a reliable platform, and that is Udemy.com. So Udemy.com, let me just go here. I'm sorry, this is how it looks when I sign in here with my profile. And there is a few ways that you can find sellers. Now, first, before we get started, I will actually leave a link to this also, so you can sign up for free here on this platform. This is a trustworthy, reliable platform here, so you won't get scammed. So that is probably why you should go to Udemy straight away if you're totally new and don't know anything about solo ads here. So one way could be actually to go to the find sellers here, but you will get lost because there are so many sellers here. We have the solo deals also. So what I would do, and what I do actually, is I go to the forum section here and I go here for the monthly competition. So first we have the buyers, then we have most I got sales ratings. This is a good indicator to get started with. We can see here who got so for example, Jason, I know this guy, he's a really trustworthy solo ad vendor, okay? Then we have the top sellers. Now this starts to get really super interesting here. So we have Jason once again, we have Optin, I have bought from this guy, I know this guy, I've been working with these guys also here, so I know them, they are trustworthy sellers. He has won 12 monthly movers and shakers contest, so let's just open Jason and Optin here so we can see what this is all about. Look at this. I didn't know this actually. 44% of ratings were buyer report sales. I mean, this is almost 1 of 2 buyers they do report that they have sales. So I mean, here is how you know that a solo ad is going to work for you. Okay, we have Jason with 24. This is still very good. 1 of 4 are going to make sales here. And here is a secret tip I want to share with you here. Okay, don't go for 100 or even 200 visitors, but go for at least 300 visitors, because I've seen it so many times during all those years as a vendor. People come, they purchase 50 clicks, 100 clicks, and they expect to be rich. It doesn't work that way. If it was that easy, everyone would be rich today. So you need to purchase a bigger amount. And that goes for all paid traffic. I mean, if you will spend on pay-per-click on Bing or Google Ads, you can't just expect to spend $5 and make 50,000. It doesn't work that way, okay? So you need to spend some money to make some money. It is super easy and simple. All right? So you get the 300 visitors. You have in place here your swipe, and of course your link that you have inserted here, okay? And then all you need to do is just add it to the cart. The same goes whoever you want to buy with, okay? So these are just 2 of the guys that I would go for. I recommend them. And you can see here, I mean, it's crazy, 44. So I mean, with 300 clicks you're definitely going to make a sale here. Okay, here's my testimonial also I left in the past here. And that is because I know everything is working. It is a good platform here, trustworthy guys. So everything is working here, okay? It's not fun to be scammed. I've been scammed in the past as a vendor, so I know exactly how it feels. And that is why I want to share these tips and tricks and secrets with you here today regarding solo ads. Solo ads work, but you need to know what to do, and that is exactly what I'm sharing with you here today. So when you're done that, all you have to do is just sit back and wait, of course, for the traffic. So you will have received the traffic, and you will check the stats, and you would have made your sales, of course, there also. So really simple, straightforward, 3-step formula, strategy to make fast commissions with affiliate marketing. This is definitely it. And of course, you can go faster, you can skip to create your squeeze page, but you will lose tons of money, and that is why I not recommend it. So definitely go this step, create a squeeze page, an opt-in page. There is ClickFunnels also you can do if you want to go for something ready-made. Otherwise you can go for your self-hosted. There is tons of variations here, and whatever fits for you, whatever you think. I don't know your knowledge, you might be good at creating squeeze pages, so you can definitely go with InstaBuilder or something like that. I still work with InstaBuilder, for example, in my this is this has been made actually by InstaBuilder. Anyway, there you have it on the best affiliate marketing strategy on how you can earn fast commissions. Now, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business with this method and much more, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, work from home opportunities, and much more. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation at the end screen here. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.